I invested in 12 properties in Dubai, generated impressive capital gains, and learned how to avoid the pitfalls of a constantly evolving market. When I started, I had no savings, no network, and no experience in real estate in Dubai. In this video, I'm going to tell you my story, how I started from scratch, the mistakes I made, the strategies that worked, and most importantly, how I help other investors do the same. My name is Agathe, I'm a mother of two, and at 25, I set myself the goal of living off my passive income and stopping work as soon as I turned 40. At the time, this made my friends and family laugh a lot, and most of my friends thought I was crazy. It's thanks to real estate investment in Dubai that I managed to achieve this ambitious goal, and you'll understand how I did it, and above all, why I keep investing even though I turned 40 last year. On this channel, I share my journey with you, my successes, but also the lessons I've learned, so that you too can get started in this dynamic and demanding market. So if you're looking to grow your money while avoiding beginner mistakes, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my tips. I come from a rather modest background in Sarcelles, where no one ever talked about investing or building wealth. Most of my family members have never invested in real estate and keep all their savings in a livret A. That says it all. In 2013, I made a radical decision to leave France and move to Dubai with nothing but my determination. I'll keep it short because that's not the focus of this video, but I started out here as an employee working as a director in an import-export company. After that, I was in charge of Disney's licensing business for the entire Middle East. Even though I had a very good salary, for me it was really just a way to make a living so I could invest in real estate and eventually achieve financial freedom. I was aware that Dubai wasn't just a tourist destination or a haven for influencers. It's one of the most dynamic real estate markets in the world. High rental yields, favorable tax conditions, and continuous growth. I was told that investing here could be a gold mine or a real headache, but I wanted to believe in it. And you'll soon understand why I made the right choice. In 2015, I bought my very first property in Dubai. It was in downtown, a property that had already been delivered as part of a standard rental investment. But let's be honest, financially it wasn't a success. At the time, the market was at its peak, buzzing after the announcement of Expo 2020. The result, I didn't lose any money, but I didn't really make any either. In fact, I only kept it for 2 years and then sold it to finance my next purchase. And it was in 2017 that I dared to take a step that changed everything. This time I invested off-plan in a neighborhood that didn't even exist yet. Honestly, I really felt like I was jumping into the unknown. I put all my savings into this project. It was a huge risk, but also the start of a whole new adventure. It was the first off-plan purchase of my entire life. And even though I had been living in Dubai for 4 years and believed in it wholeheartedly, I hesitated for days and it kept me up at night. Fortunately, this gamble paid off. From that point on, I didn't stop. Between 2017 and 2024, I bought 12 properties. I resold 3/4 of them, generating significant capital gains each time. Was it easy? Absolutely not. But if I had to do it all over again, I would do everything the same way. Why? Because every investment taught me something. How to choose the right neighborhoods, select the best developers, or even manage properties efficiently. I tried out a lot of different strategies. Sometimes I bought new properties that I simply rented out. Other times I bought older properties that I renovated before selling them. And because I wanted to limit risks, I focused on central areas with premium developers. But you know what? Looking back, it's actually the slightly riskier deals that brought me the best profits. I also worked with partners on renovations of older villas. In those cases, the profits are more limited, but it's quick. We're talking about turnaround times of less than 6 months. Of course, I made mistakes sometimes. For example, I tried to rent out some of my properties short-term, especially in central neighborhoods. On paper, it seemed obvious, but between the competition and the costs associated with seasonal rentals, I eventually realized that renting out long-term is often more profitable. In short, I made mistakes, a lot of mistakes actually, but each one helped me refine my approach. Today, I have a reliable strategy to secure my investments and maximize their profitability. And then at the same time, something happened that I hadn't anticipated. My friends and family saw my results, and little by little they started asking me for advice. They wanted to invest too, but without taking too many risks in a market they didn't know, and that seemed really complicated to them. That's when I understood. My mission wasn't limited to my own investments. What I needed to do was share my knowledge, pass on what I had learned, and help others build their wealth too. Today, I continue to invest, and I have an agency that supports my clients with real estate investment in Dubai. I help you at every step, from selecting the project to managing the rental. My goal is simple: to help you invest profitably and securely with personalized support and tangible results. When I started out, I would have loved to have someone with more than 10 years of experience guide me and help me avoid the pitfalls. Dubai is a very profitable real estate market, but some poorly advised investors end up breaking even or even losing money. Since launching my agency, I have supported more than 200 clients, enabling some of them to achieve capital gains of 20 to 30% in just a few months. What makes me most proud isn't just the numbers, but knowing that my clients invest without stress, with complete peace of mind and a clear strategy. As you can see, I am truly passionate about this field. That's why even though I've been fortunate enough to reach my goals, I continue to invest in real estate and to support you every day. I'm telling you all this with complete humility because I'm fully aware that what allowed me to achieve these goals is being in Dubai in a context of explosive economic growth and above all, zero taxes. And you, are you ready to take the plunge? Maybe you're still hesitating or you don't know where to start. If that's the case, I'm here to answer your questions, clarify your goals, and build with you a solid and profitable investment strategy tailored to your situation. Don't hesitate to contact me using the link in the description. And if you're not quite ready yet, but you want to learn more about real estate opportunities in Dubai, subscribe now so you don't miss any of my upcoming tips. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.